Welcome to the Acuity Brands Investor Update. We're really excited to be with you today to talk to you about the future of our company, to introduce you to our team, and to talk through the results of our fiscal third quarter 2021. So, we're going to do it a little differently today. Rather than a couple of us and a lot of PowerPoint, we're going to introduce you to our broader team, and we're excited to do it. So first, we're going to talk to you about our lighting and lighting controls business with the team who runs it. Then, we'll move on to our new Intelligent Spaces group. The team that's been assembled to develop and grow there is really impressive, and we're excited that you get to interact with them. After that, we'll dive in and talk about our culture, our impact on the environment, as well as how we actually run the company. And then finally, Karen will come and she'll talk to you about our capital allocation priorities and our results for the last fiscal quarter. So, let's get started. As we look forward, our company is unique. Our lighting and lighting controls business is the market leader in North America. We've returned the business to growth and we've increased the margins. How have we done that? We've done that through product and productivity improvements as we increase the vitality of our product portfolio, and we've brought the precision of a digital company to this business. As we look forward, our strategy for winning the next decade is very clear. We're going to increase the service levels in the industry. We're going to increase the amount of technology that's both in our products and in how we provide those services. As of today, we've created a new segment we call the Intelligent Spaces Group. That group has the opportunity to do exactly what its name says, finally make spaces intelligent. It's a collection of really valuable technology assets and some incredibly talented people who we've assembled to go prosecute the opportunity. Distech is an open protocol and open source distribution technology which powers buildings. Atrius is the opportunity to create applications which make a real difference in those buildings and spaces. Our business is financially very efficient. We generate a lot of cash, and we can create a significant amount of value through capital allocation. Our capital allocation priorities are clear. We're going to grow our current businesses. We're going to grow through mergers and acquisitions. We're going to maintain our dividend, and when there's the opportunity, we're going to create value through share repurchase. We've also invested significantly in our culture. We're a values-driven organization, where the best people come because they feel like they can do their best work here. We're also making an incredibly positive impact on sustainability. What we do matters. And we're doing it because it's the right thing to do and because it's a good business opportunity. We're proud of the improvements we've made in our company. You know that the world has changed. People's expectations have changed. Digital has changed everything. You can operate every business with the precision of a digital business, and every business needs to be digital going forward. So we've begun that transformation here at Acuity Brands. The process we use is called Better, Smarter, Faster, and it is exactly what the name implies. Better, Smarter, Faster is our process that takes the best of lean and the best of digital product development. And it starts from a very simple premise, which is that the satisfaction of the end user, the customer, is all that really matters. And so we identify what's going to drive that satisfaction. We compare that to what we currently do, including data to understand how are we really doing. And then we chart a path that gets us from where we are to as close as we possibly can to the art of the possible. And then we put it in front of customers and we do it again and again and again so that we continuously improve. As we get better, smarter, and faster, it's more and more important to be focused on where we're going. I like to say that life is lived in the windshield and not the rearview mirror. And so as we accelerate the pace of our organization, it's even more important to focus on where we're going and how we're getting there so that we can operate with precision and consistency going forward. So the core of any company is people. And I am super pleased with the collection of people that we are bringing together here at Acuity Brands. Talented people who have been in the company for a long time, and new people who are bringing fresh ideas, perspectives, and experiences mostly around technology as we bring them together in a unique collection of talent. You need to look no further than leaders of our two segments to demonstrate the talent that we're bringing together. Trevor Palmer is a veteran of Acuity Brands, and he's off to a great start leading the lighting and lighting controls business. Trevor understands technology. He's an innovator at heart. He's driving the product vitality and the pace of operation in the business and leading to significant improvements that you're seeing. Peter has been a leader in the technology industry all the way from startups to the largest technology companies in the world. He knows how to spot new technologies, new business models, and he's a talent magnet. And he's demonstrated the ability to put all those things together and build large businesses. When we talk about the impact that we can have, I'm really proud of how our whole team has come together to make a material impact in a positive way.
At Acuity Brands, we are creating a better, more connected world as we expand our focus on sustainable solutions that protect our planet. The Acuity sustainability legacy is strong. Our Earthlight initiative is enabling us to do even more to protect, preserve, and improve our world. To that end, we are proud to announce our commitment to dramatically improve our world by achieving 100 million metric tons of carbon reduction by the year 2030. We recognize that this ambitious goal will require a relentless focus and ongoing commitment from all of us, but the benefits will be significant to the planet, to our communities, and to our business. Together, let's light the way to a better world.
So first, on our products and services, sustainability is what we do. It's at the core of who we are. We have made a pledge that our put-in-place products and services will mitigate the impact of 100 million metric tons of carbon by 2030. That's a really, really big number. Additionally, in our own operations, we've reached carbon neutrality over the course of the last year. We're releasing a white paper which details how we're making that 100 million metric ton impact so that others can learn from what we're doing, and hopefully they can share with us things that they're learning and we can get better along the way. And then as we think about the culture of our organization, we're building an organization where the best people come because they feel like they can do their best work here, because they're bought into our values, they're bought into our mission, they're bought into who we are and what we are doing, and they believe that they can make a positive contribution and they'll be rewarded for it. And then finally, over the course of the last year, we've made necessary governance changes from our board to our pay structure and everything in between so that all of our interests are aligned: our shareholders, our associates, our customers, and our communities. Our ability to allocate capital effectively has been and will be a source of value creation for us going forward. So when we think about our priorities for capital allocation, they're very straightforward. The first is we're going to grow the businesses we already have. The second is we're going to grow through mergers and acquisitions, both in our current businesses as well as entering new businesses. The third is that we are going to maintain our dividend. And then finally, share repurchase. We view share repurchase as the opportunity to create permanent value. We demonstrated over the course of the last year that if there is dislocation in the stock price, we can and will be aggressive to create value, and we did. We bought back about 10% of the company for less than 1 year's free cash flow. So taken together, as we look forward, we are confident that our ability to effectively allocate capital will create long-term value for our company. So let me dive in and talk about our acquisition strategy. There are really two buckets there. First is adding to our existing businesses. We're proud of the addition of Osram and the digital solutions business to our portfolio. What does that allow us to do? It allows us to, number one, control the technology in our luminaires and our ability to innovate faster and scale. The second is it provides us a path to the rest of the market to participate in an OEM business that supplies other manufacturers. And finally, it allows our supply chain to be more robust and resilient going forward. We're really pleased about the addition of Rockpile. It brings to us an additional capability, the ability to participate in earlier stage companies focused on edge AI, which are consistent with the direction we want to go as we make spaces intelligent. We think there's an opportunity to continue to deploy capital to accelerate that. We're excited over the next 12 to 36 months to have the opportunity to add another large business to our company. So, what are we looking for? We're looking for sectors that have systemic growth opportunities, where we have the opportunity to demonstrate what we've done in our lighting and lighting controls business, the introduction of Better, Smarter, Faster, the transformation that we've done there, and our ability to develop technology, like we're doing in our Spaces group, to revolutionize another sector. We're confident that we can create significant value when we do that. AYI is the market-leading lighting and lighting controls business in North America that we've returned to growth at attractive margins and returns. It's the option for us to build a very valuable business in technology by finally making spaces intelligent. It's the ability for us to deploy capital to grow these businesses and to add new businesses to our company. And finally, and most importantly, it's an organization of culture and people that have come together because we're passionate about what we're doing and we're excited about where we can take this company. And so with that, let's dive in and learn more about lighting and lighting controls.